Hey everyone, hey, story about that yarny zebra and stuff. And I am just sitting here on the back deck, just doing a really quick little video. Uh, Mama is already in bed. She's like, I'm done. We have had a busy day. We did take a load down to the new place and dropped off several boxes of things for Goodwill and at a thrift store. So the the purging is continuing. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best, you guys, to make a difference, and I'm trying so hard to not carry things with me that I don't need. That's happening. It is spring, so I guess we can call that spring cleaning, but that's what's happening right now. And like I said, Mom is finishing up dinner and is looking for meds. And I said, Mama, we don't take our meds till we go upstairs, honey. She said, well, I need some because I want to go to bed. I said, oh, well, let me get you something to eat. Um, I mean, something to take your meds with, because she always takes them with like some applesauce and some pureed fruit. Did I say that right? Anyway, um, so I got her meds. It was before 8 o'clock. It was broad daylight, y'all. I mean, right now we're looking at some setting sun. The sun has gone down. We got a little purple sky over that way. Um, the air conditioner just shut off behind me. Yay! That isn't Lucky. Lucky's probably wondering what's going on out here, because I am out here by myself. Just me and Jesus. And these little bunnies right here. Yeah, those little bunnies are out here with me. And these beautiful pink flowers. But anyway, I'm just sitting out here waiting for a few minutes, because I figured you guys are going to be wanting to know what's going on with Mama and the manna. She just went on to bed, you all. I just came back down from doing her insulin, and Lucky was ready to get in the bed with her. He was outside the door. He was pretty mad at me that I went upstairs without him. I was like, honey, Mama's gonna be right back. But we did it. We got her insulin in. We got her warm crocheted footies on that she loves to sleep in because her feet always get cold. But Mama has went to bed early, and you know what she said to me? She said, now listen, I know that cat is sleeping on the couch down there. You just move him and get your covers and your pillow, and you go to sleep down there too. You can work later. No, we got to work. I've got a lot more to purge and a lot more to do before we are moved, y'all. But I am excited. I told her, I said, Mama, if I lay down and go to sleep right now, that just means longer. It's going to take me to purge all this stuff out that we don't need. Well, she said, well, that's right, honey, because we need to get on down here to this big house. That's her thoughts. She wants to get back down there. We spent a few hours there today. I had taken over some kitchen appliances, like crock pot, the George Foreman big grill, not the little bitty one, but the big grill. I took over several totes that I put in the garage area, storage area, and trying to think what else I had brought. Most of the stuff was going to Goodwill. The trunk was full of Goodwill stuff. Um, my uh, my new blender whipper upper gizmo. Yeah, that had to go. My coffee pot is still here. Yeah, it is. Every now and then I need a good cup of joe and a little espresso in it, so that's not going anywhere just yet, you all. Yeah, I'm still working on needing some of that. How is everybody doing? I know this is not a live, but I'm gonna post it as soon as I get done recording this. I'm sorry that it is not in landscape. There's the cross that I put on that window uh, frame. I'm going to take all of those lights off because I'm going to put them somewhere else. Um, they are solar lights. I love them. They're solar lights, so it does not take any electricity. Whew. Y'all, I'm so tired. I am tired, I'll tell you. Mother came in to wake me up at 4:45, 4:45 this morning. And I didn't have the heart to tell her that I had not gone to bed until 3:30. So you guys know that wasn't a whole lot of sleep yet because I stayed up purging and cleaning out the living room. I did shampoo the carpet. Before bedtime because I didn't want to keep people awake. But I shampooed half of the living room just to make sure that I'm not going to be leaving a big mess. Guys, the dogs are howling. I don't know what's going on out here. But it is getting dark. It doesn't look dark over there in that direction. For some reason, it's so odd that it's dark where I am looking, but on the screen it doesn't look dark, and I do not have any extra lights on. I am using my iPad, so it probably is making a difference. Probably is making a difference. So, yes, and it is a little chilly out here. I could say that again. I think we're back down to the 60 something out here right now. I do need to get in there and start purging a few more things because, friends, I am infusing tonight. Yes, that box did come in the mail, and I'm getting ready to go get started on that. I know, it's going to slow me down doing all of the moving and packing. So that's why I've got to get in there and start filling up those extra totes that I found upstairs and decide what stays and what goes because I am clearing out years, years, years of accumulation of things. I will make a confession that I did find my children's preschool and kindergarten portfolios of arts and craft things. I did, y'all. I took pictures and I file 13'd it. Anybody else keep stuff like that? I found it. So yes, I've had to go through a bunch of stuff of that nature and say goodbye, because you can only keep so many things. But I've kept all that stuff. And I've had an empty nest for a while. So, yes, it's time. It's time. It's time to go inside and post this, because y'all are probably wondering, where's Mama with the manna? Mama's in bed. She is exhausted. She did not nap today. And so she is already done. She's done, and this, I don't know if she's quite asleep, but she was working on it. She's working on it. Working on getting in. Oh, I do. You need some dirt? Well, get here, let's. Okay, guys, I made it back inside. My neighbor came over and needed a pot of dirt. Yes, he had a plant that he was needing to put in some dirt. Bless his heart. He was so sad that his plant was dying. So I told him the other day he could have some dirt if he needed it. So he came over asking for dirt right at the end of our video. So love you guys. I'll see you in a bit when I start my infusion needles. That liquid go, guys. It's happening. It's about to happen.